Types of chemical reactions. There are four main types of chemical reaction: combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction, and double displacement reaction. To make you all understand these reactions more properly, we are going to see general reaction for each type. A plus B gives AB is combination reaction. AB gives A plus B is decomposition reaction. A plus BC gives AC plus B is displacement reaction. AB plus CD gives AD plus CB is double displacement reaction. So all these four types of chemical reactions along with the examples we are going to discuss. Combination reaction. So a reaction in which two or more substances that can be elements or compounds combine together to form a new substance is called combination reaction. Many combustion reactions are also examples of combination reaction. A plus B plus C gives ABC, where ABC and ABC represent the elements or compounds. Let's see few examples. H2 plus Cl2 gives 2HCl. Mg plus Cl2 gives MgCl2. Fe plus S gives FeS. MgO plus H2O gives MgOH twice. Decomposition reaction. A reaction in which a substance is broken into two or more simpler substances is known as decomposition reaction. A decomposition reaction is opposite of combination reaction. A decomposition on reaction takes only when some energy form of heat, light or electricity is supplied to the reactants. So general reaction, you can see that ABC is decomposed to A plus B plus C. This is the example of decomposition reaction. Few examples of decomposition reaction. ZnCO3 gives ZnO plus CO2. 2H2O gives 2H2 plus O2. CaCO3 gives CaO plus CO2. And 2H2O2 gives 2H2O plus O2. Children, it is very important to mention the states of that particular compound. Here you can see that GLS is mentioned, which stands for gaseous state, liquid state and solid state. Now let's move to displacement reaction. A reaction in which one part, that is an atom or group of atom of a molecule, is replaced by another is called displacement reaction. So X plus YZ gives Y plus XZ. So this is the best example of displacement reaction general form, that you can see that the size of X is big. So we can also say that more reactive metal displaces less reactive metal. Okay, few examples of displacement reactions are zinc plus 2HCl gives zinc chloride plus H2. So here zinc is more powerful than H. So zinc forms a bond with chlorine and it forms zinc chloride. 2KBr plus Cl2 gives 2KCl plus Br2. CuSO4 plus ZnS gives Cu plus ZnSO4. Mg plus 2HCl gives MgCl2 plus H2. Now next let us see double displacement reaction. A reaction in which the two reactants ionic compounds exchange their corresponding ions is called double displacement reaction. Wx plus yz gives yx plus wz. So here you can see that there is exchange of ions. Few examples of double displacement. AgNO3 plus NaCl gives AgCl plus NaNO3. NiNO3 twice plus 2NaOH gives NiOH twice plus NaNO3. 2 KBr plus BaI2 gives 2 Ki plus BaBr. Here in all the examples you can see that there is exchange of ions. And always remember there are two types of ions, cations and anions, that is positive ions and negative ions. So always remember positive ion will make a pair with negative ion only. Positive ions can't come together. So I hope you all have understood this.